Hello from Node 101. In this tutorial, you will learn how to stake your NYM tokens. First of all, go to the NYM.tech and click Download NYM and click NYM Wallet and download it. You will see some clients. I'm using Windows, so I will download Windows application. After the installation, you will see right side your wallet address and left side you will see delegation. Go to the delegation side and click delegate. You will need node identity key and go to the mixnet.explorers.grow/mixnodes and go to the search mixnode site and write node 101. Click node 101 and right side you will see identity key, copy identity key and go to the delegation side and paste your node identity key and write your amount. Write 10 because I have 11 NYM tokens. So if you want to use your NYM tokens for transaction, use less 1 tokens and click delegate stake and then confirm it. After confirming it, you will see delegation successful and click done. You can see it's saying pending. With next epoch, your staking process will start. So you can easily stake your NYM token. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.